everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And it's Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I'm doing really good today. It's about 5 o'clock here and it is like pitch black outside already. I don't like this getting dark at 5 p.m. I don't like it at all. But anyways, hope you guys are doing amazing today. And in today's unboxing, we have my BoxyCharm finally. If you guys don't know, BoxyCharm is $21 a month. You always get full-size items. So let's see what we got this month. It looks like this. Has a little card on top and it just says BoxyCharm up here. And the theme this month is "'Tis the Sea Sun," not season, but sea sun. And here is the card for the month. Has a cute little flamingo on it. And then all of our items are on the back, which we'll read as we go along as usual. Then I have a limited warranty for something. Am I like really washed out? I feel like I'm super bright. Let me turn my light down just a little bit. I felt like I was like more ghostly than I already am. So anyways, let's get into this box. First thing I'm pulling out is this, and this is by Tarte. It is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. And here is the packaging for this. And this is just a glitter lip paint, and it retails for $20. Here is the lip paint. It is very, very sparkly. It's very sparkly. Very sparkly and shimmery. So we will give this a swatch, and I might put some on because I just have lip gloss on right now. And we'll give it a swatch. It's very thick. It is just pretty much glitter. Here it is on the back of my hand. Don't mind my little scratch there. But it is just very shiny, very shimmery and glittery. Let's see if I put a little bit on as a lip gloss. And it seems like you really have to like squish it around to get some product out of it. But I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But we'll see. It doesn't seem really sticky. On my hand it felt a little bit sticky, but on the lips it does not, so that's a little strange, but that's the first thing. The next thing we got is this, and this is by Kozma Cosmetics. And this is a detox activated charcoal mask. And here's the packaging for this mask. It is just like a gray. And this is Cosmetics, which it's spelled different than cosmetics, so that's what like confused me. And it says detox activated charcoal mask. This retails for $30, and it's supposed to brighten your skin and draw out dirt and impurities from your pores, which I can completely use. So we'll just see. I'm sure it is black. It does have a safety seal on it. So we'll just put a little bit of my hand in. It does have little gritties in it, so it is probably exfoliating. So there's the clay mask. So there's that guy. The next thing we have is this little pencil, and it is by Bodyography. It is in the shade Timber. It is a lip pencil. So here is the lip pencil. And this retails for $12. And here's what it looks like when you open it. And I'll just swatch it next to that clay mask. It is like just like a brownie color. So it is pretty, I really don't use lip liners like as lip liners. I usually just fill in my entire lips with them because when I try to outline my lips, it's all bad. There we go. And see if I like it or not. So there's a lip liner. The next thing I got is Pretty Vulgar by Pretty Vulgar. And it is called the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. I am so excited to get this because I really haven't found a setting powder that looks right on me. It's either like cakes up or flakes away, and it does some weird stuff. I don't know if maybe I'm using it wrong. And this retails for $32. It says it's weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder, locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft buffer application delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. So hopefully this little guy helps out. And it does have a cute little pink plush thing. applicator to apply it with. It is pink and it is super soft. Don't mind my fingernail, my nail polish is missing. But there's that little applicator, and it has a little bow on the back of it, which is really cute. And then the actual product is just every time I do this, I create like a cloud of makeup. So there's a little bit. I don't know why they package stuff like this, because I make a mess every time. Okay, so there wasn't as big a cloud as I thought it was going to be, but it is just a white powder, and it says that it is translucent. So we'll rub some on my thumb here, or on the side of my thumb, and it seems to be pretty translucent. It didn't really change the color of my skin any. It's right here, so it just gave it a little shimmer. Sorry, my dogs are barking. So that is really cool, and that is a full size, so I would definitely be giving this a go and see how it works on my face. Okay, so that is the translucent powder. And the next thing we got is in this baggy thing here. And it says it's a Girls World PYT. What is this? It is a mini hair straightener. And this retails for $75. So I've never had... I've never had a mini hair straightener before, and it says get those pesky baby hair, straighten those bangs or touch-up curls on the go with this incredibly adorable PYT mini straightener. The floating ceramic plates adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight, wavy, or curly locks. This little guy reaches a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 Celsius. And like I said, this retails for $75. So it comes in this packaging here, and it says it's a Girls World. So we'll take the slip cover off, and it comes in this like little pouch. So here's the cord to it, and here's the straightener. It is so tiny. It's so little, and it just has an on and off button. There's no like temperature settings or anything. So here is the straightener. I got mine in the color pink. So here is the hair straightener. It is like a baby pink color. It is actually really cute, but it is so tiny. So to pay $75 for this, I would not personally, but it is cute, and I'm excited that I got it, and hopefully it works and I can get my little baby hairs that are around my face. So there's that. So that is all that we got in our box this month. And if I can do some quick math here, I can see what the entire box is worth. If I can find my calculator here. All right, so we have the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, which is $20. And then we have the lip liner, which is $12. Then we have the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder, which is $32. Then we have the Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask, which is $30. And then we have the hair straightener, which is $75. So the retail value for this box is $169, which is a really good value for this box. Sorry, got a notification. Which is a really good value for this box, $169. Like I said, this box is $21 a month. So that is all that we have for this video. I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. I love interacting with you guys. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you think it's worth $21 a month? Is it your favorite box? What is your guys' favorite subscription box? And also, if you guys want to, you guys can leave some video ideas down below in the description box, because I seem to run out of boxes before the month's end, and then I go a week without filming, and I hate not filming for you guys. So I would love to know like your ideas, what you guys would like to see me either review or do or something. I would love to know everything down below in the description. So that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload. And I'll see you guys next time.